So one thing guys I'm missing, as you can see, it's the Hedion. I didn't use even a single drop of Hedion. Why I'm saying that? It's because it's a bit foggy. So Hedion is a very nice mixture of it's not just a smell or its other properties or its qualities. It's a very good fixative as well. So basically this is what I'm missing at the moment. So what I've done, basically I've used a bit of roughly 5 ml of Egyptian jasmine, and I'm mixing it. I'm using just 10 to 20 ml just to see what it smells like. If I need more strength of jasmine, I can use it. But one problem stays there, and it's the fixative. The oil that I prefer, the oil that I like, they should be transparent, not foggy. To me, this is my standard, that I just want to make sure everything is mixed well together. Surely it's something that hasn't mixed yet. So I'm missing the Hedion, and maybe I might use Hedion later on, but not at this stage. Let's see what happens.